Hey guys, I'm SMoore, the Director of Secondary Education here at Miamisburg City Schools. I want to welcome you to my video. The purpose of this video is to help you navigate through ClassLink a little bit better. ClassLink was a program that we brought into our district for the 18-19 school year. Most of you were able to utilize it and get started and use that program and see the benefits of it. However, we did do two surveys within our district. One was a technology survey, and the second one was a ClassLink survey that we did at the end of the year. And through those surveys, I was able to analyze the data and see some of the areas that you guys identified that you need a little more training on or help to navigate through the system. So with those surveys and that data, you helped me to identify some goals and objectives to put into this video to help you navigate the system a little bit better and use it properly in the 1920 school year and really reap the benefits of this program. So ClassLink has three benefits that we see in our district. Number one, a single sign-on. And a single sign-on is going to help you as a teacher or a school employee to be a little more efficient and effective when using online programs. We have over 100 online programs that we use or things you need to log into. So with ClassLink, it provides single sign-on where you don't have to enter a username and password every time. I know I have a huge spreadsheet that has all my usernames, passwords, the URLs for all of the programs that I need access to. So being able to go into ClassLink and just select the program that I need, not having to worry about those usernames and passwords, has been a great benefit for me. Also, as a teacher, sometimes with the little kids, you go around and you type in the usernames and passwords for them. Well, with ClassLink, they can go right into ClassLink and select the program they want, not having to enter those usernames and passwords, saving you some time and giving you some more instructional time back. Second benefit is I like to call it a one-stop shop for all the programs. Like I said, we have over 100 programs that we use, and so you are able to design your dashboard how you want and put in only the apps that you need to use on a daily basis, or those that you use frequently. So when you go into ClassLink, you can select whatever program you want. Again, on my spreadsheet, then I don't have to remember all the URLs. They're all right there to click on. And it's good for kids because some kids have say Pearson for math or McGraw-Hill for language arts, and then Houghton Mifflin for science. So they don't have to remember all those URLs or how to get to those programs. They're all going to be in one spot in our one-stop shop of ClassLink. A third benefit of ClassLink is roster services. This was a huge benefit to the curriculum department because we spent a lot of our summer adding kids and classes and courses into all our programs. Well, ClassLink links right to Dazzle, and they do a nightly sync, so all those classes and rosters are uploaded automatically. This also helps throughout the class year for you because as students move in or move out or just transferring between classes, it's automatically updated every night for you. So this video, like I said, you helped identify some of the goals and objectives for the video of how to navigate through ClassLink and questions that you had. So I'm going to go through some of the basics of getting started with ClassLink. You will have the opportunity to practice what you need to practice by stopping the video and looking. I also am going to create a Google Classroom for ClassLink where you'll have access to this video and those screenshots and some tutorials in addition. And on that Google Classroom, it's also going to provide you some information on a discussion board where you can post questions to other teachers or other faculty and staff, or even questions just to me. And you can always email me your questions with ClassLink. So let's get started.
The first thing I'm going to show you is how to access ClassLink. If you are at work and logged onto a school PC, there is an icon on your dashboard or on your desktop that is for ClassLink. But there are some other ways, and I'm going to show you how to do this from your Gmail account. So I'm logged in to my work Gmail account, but I also am synced to the web browser. That is something totally different. So to sync to the web browser, I have up here syncing in the top right corner to my account. Once I'm synced, then I have all my bookmarks that I use at the school. And over here to the left, you will find MCS Internet links. When you click on it, you have an option of ClassLink, and you can click on it, and that will then launch the ClassLink page. This icon on Chromebooks is located in the bottom left corner under MCS Apps for students or staff. Another way to log in if you don't want to access it through your Gmail account is just to open up a browser and go to myclasslink.com/Miamisburg, and that will also then take you to the ClassLink page. So you look for the bookmark here on a PC or in the bottom left corner on a Chromebook, or you can type in myclasslink.com/Miamisburg. The next step is logging into ClassLink. Now don't look away because I don't want you to miss it. This icon right here that says sign in with Google, you are going to click on it and it will take you right to your ClassLink dashboard. Ta-da! So your first learning activity, what I want you to do is pause this video and I want you to, whatever computer you're on, try and log into ClassLink, following the steps I showed you in accessing ClassLink, and log in by clicking the icon Sign In with Google. Welcome back. I hope everybody was successful in their first learning activity and you were able to access ClassLink whichever way you used, and you were able to log in successfully with Sign In with Google. Later in the video, I will share a Google Classroom link with you, and if you had some issues or some questions, you can post those questions in that Google Classroom, or you can also email me your questions and I will answer them. The next question you guys put on your survey or something you wanted to understand was the apps that show up on your ClassLink dashboard. I have quite a few. You may not have as many or you may have more, depending. So we have a variety of apps here. If you notice, like this Pearson app, it is an app for any of our Pearson products for your textbooks that you use. For example, ReadyGen for the elementary language arts, high school, you use it for health, anybody that has a Pearson textbook. And that is an example of a single sign-on that syncs with a Google. So if I click on the Pearson app, it will take me right into a classroom if I am a teacher. Next, you have some other apps such as Achieve 3000. For those of you that use Achieve 3000, that would be a password locker where I have typed in my username or password once and ClassLink saves it and I never have to log in again. We do have a document that we share that tells you if it's a password locker or single sign-on or how it's set up. So you will go through, some of us have district apps such as Progress Book. Everyone will have this app. So a variety of things that you'll have based on what you use in your classroom. We only assign teachers what we feel they are using as well as students. The last thing I'm going to show you on this video is the app library. And if you go up to the very top, there is a plus sign that is for your app library. And if you click on it, you will see an MCS app library and an MCS student app library. These are for programs that have been added that many of our teachers have asked for us to add based on they use them in their class. They're not necessarily programs that we purchase through the district, but they are ones that you guys may use frequently. So if you want to add them, you go to your library and you click Add. As your final learning activity, I want you to go to this Google Classroom. There is an assignment if you have feedback or questions to go ahead and start a discussion there or to email me. So here is the class code for the Google Classroom.
Hey guys, it's me again. We are at the end of the video and I want to thank you again for watching. I really want to thank you for guiding me on what I needed to put in that video and sharing your thoughts on what the goals and objectives should be. Hopefully now you can identify the benefits of ClassLink and why we're using it in our district, and you will be able to access it at work, at home, help your students to access it at school and at home, and be able to make your classroom a little more efficient and help the students use the program for their benefit as well. There is a self-evaluation on Google Classroom, so when you go into that Google Classroom, it asks you to reflect on a few things, mainly the objectives and goals from this video, to give yourself a self-assessment. Again, I want to thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys later. Thank you.